This is a game of inches, mga kaibigan. Attack points even. 1 block ahead ang Army. 2 aces ahead ang PLDT Homoltera. But what was the biggest number ng ating first set, Tita Mosi?
Ayan, errors na naman. Yan na nga, di ba kanina nabanggit natin, naging yung Waterloo ng Army sa buong conference na to. Nahirapan talaga sila i-limit their errors. And eto na naman ang nangyari dun sa first set natin. 10 errors. Although hindi rin naman kababaan ang 7 errors ng PLDT. But yun na nga, towards the end, naging importante.
Rachel Soltones, Tita Mosi, has been on target. 2 aces already sa kanyang powerful jump serve. But of course, Eliza Valdez has still been the biggest thorn on the side ng Philippine Army doon sa ating first set. Ngayon, second set na tayo dito. Magandang kinikilos dito ng Lady Troopers. Errors lang talaga pumatay sa kanila doon sa first set.
Tama yun. And even the triple block, anyway, lagi silang pumupunta doon sa triple block na yun. Kailangan lang maayos.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi minsan hiwa-hiwalay, kaya nagkakaroon ng chance itong si Ali padaanin doon sa mga butas.
Well, second set na po tayo, and it's Soltones once again to serve. Dindin overcooks the reception. Eliza tries to put it away. Double touch against Balse.
Speaking of Balse 3 points already. Gonzaga with 4 and Manabat with 5. Sa kabilang dako, Valdez at Soltones. 5 puntos na bawat isa. Roses and Soriano, 2 apiece.
Well, again, Gretchen, we talked about her at the top of the coverage. Needs to be a big support for Eliza. What a powerful serve. Dug up there by Agno. That delayed tip coming from Balse. De Leon. Eliza na sa kabila na. Salak. Tubino. De Leon. Valdez again off the block. Dindin plays it. Another long rally in the making. Tubino. Tinapon.
Yun ang nakakahinayang sa mga sa side ng Philippine Army. Again, errors. Unforced errors pa.
Well, alam mo, Bina Ganon is back in the fold after the Asian Seniors Championship sa China.
Tignan natin if we will see her today in this match.
2-0 PLDT Homoltera. Still Gretchen Soltones. Palakas ng palakas yung kanyang serve. And Team Agno screaming in pain. Kung nakita niya nag-landing yung serve
Alam
ni
niya nang
Soltones.
papasok eh.
Oo.
Kaya lang malayo sa kanya. So, now Dindin
Nilagay na nga
Santiago
nila si
adjusting.
Dindin sa zone 6 para mas malaki yung
Reach.
Doon pa rin pumunta. Rachel again. Oh. Balse, second ball. Nagulat din kasi PLDT na lumusot yung serve na yon.
At saka, soft touch ang binigay ni King doon and she got the point. Kala nila, malakas na balo na ibibigay nila.
Atrasan lahat eh. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Salak on the serve, down by 2. De Leon, denied by Tubino.
Well, she had her back at the net, so parang mas advantage naman si Tubino doon.
3-2. Salak, short serve. Tatan gets to it. Quick set to Charo. Salak gets there. Agno lifts it up. Gonzaga. De Leon. Galing likod. Soltones. Dug up again by Dindin. Grabe ito si
Tatanungin
Dindin.
sana kita kung saan galing to si Soltones eh.
Pero yung Dindin, grabe
Yes,
yung defense.
sa depensa.
Ayan na
That is
naman.
right.
Kept it alive once again. Royce Tubino, cross score. Kept alive for the moment. But it will not be saved by Charo.
Alam mo, partner, yung sinasabi mong floor defense na yan, napaka-importante. Why? In games 1 and 2, the team that logged in more excellent receptions, nag-log in na more excellent sets at more successful attacks. So,
Wow.
nag-translate siya to the play, diba? Ng excellent plays.
Paano yung mga service error na ganito?
Dapat mo na yan. Dapat mong gawin yan.
I think everybody has already done one, at least one. Ay, ito si Ruby, wala pa.
Ikaw, sasabihin ko na dahil sa'yo.
Ganito na lang, pag may nagsaserve, ikaw na magsalita.
Oo, ako na ha.
Oh?
Oo.
Ayan.
On me, on me.
Gig. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Billy. Quiet Noel. Go, Mossy.
Birthday girl. Why not?
De Leon. Eliza denied again by Tubino.
And once again, Royce Tubino, inaabangan na niya yung
Oo.
sobrang bola sa net and really taking care of the net.
Direct sub for the center as Jem Ferrer sees her first action. And again, Tubino, although open spiker na nilalaro niya, quicker yan buong buhay niya. So she knows how to read those, di ba?
Oo. Yung timing niya, mabilis din.
Right. Balse.
Oh, and Balses, she's been
Last
off
number.
target. Hindi, adrenaline rush in the championship game.
Wala pa rin tayo sa salita. It's on them. It's not on us, it's on
Bumalik
them.
na.
Oo.
Bumalik na. Sa kanila. Kasi hindi mo maabutin na dyan yung adjustment mo, yung distance mo na lang from the line. Doon ka mag-adjust.
Well, again, kausap po natin si Tina Salak, sanay daw sila sa mga may init na lugar. And this is ay mainit na lugar today.
Oh, ayan na nga.
Wala akong sinasabi.
Mainit nga.
Sharo into the
Mainit
net.
dahil sa init ng laro. Di ba?
Yes.
Pinaggagalingan. It's really such a hot game. Di ba?
It's a hot day with a hot game. And a lot of these fans are fanning themselves already. Jaja, angles.
Oh, it could be by Big Balse letting that go. Pero mo tama naman, Judge had the right thing in mind, pero poor execution lang.
Kanina po, 3-0 in favor of PLDT Homolterra. It is now 7-5 in favor of Philippine Army. Now in the middle of a 7-2 run. Tubino at a serve. Goes back to the Lady Troopers. Gonzaga with the right hand, dumps it in. This is an 8-2 run ongoing now for the Philippine Army. Lamang po sila ng tatlo rito sa ating first technical timeout of set number 2. Let's listen in on Coach Roger Gorayev.
Hindi sa kanya, assert mo yung height mo, ba't mo siya pauunahin? Kaya mo na kagad pakita. Pero nga, huwag niyo hayaan lumaki, nagsiservice error sila. Samantalahin natin, huwag natin sagutin din ang service error niya. Receive natin, nawala. Malakas yung nasa harap natin dyan. Bigay mo sa striker.
Intensity. Goes the timeout now ni Coach Roger Gorayev as we send it now to Trisha Robredo.
Well, it was in a prior conversation I had with Coach Taibon that prior to this series, sabi ni sa akin, sana naman daw ay hindi na tumagal ang finals para makapag-ensayo na rin naman sila sa SEA Games. Now, it seems like Coach Roger Gorayev shares the same sentiment as he asked his girls in the huddle not to let go of the momentum and not to get go of seas. Pero yun naman nga, speaking of SEA Games, Rachel Dackett shares to me na medyo nakailang daw nakatapat ang mga kaibigan at nakampay sa national teams. Pero ngayong araw, ibang usapan as all business daw dapat sila. Now, Coach Rico de Guzman of Army sees the improvement in poor defense and blocking, but asks the troopers to minimize errors and take care of services. In his words, di pwede ang tapik-tapik lang. Karagahan nyo na ang mga palo. That's all for now, guys.
At sinargahan niya that time ni Sue Roses at kanyang running shot. Ilang ba national team dito?
Ay, nabo.
Saga, Santiago Magabat, Davis on this side. Kabila, dami. Kasama ito.
Santiago, Soltones, Valdez,
O ito nga, si Valdez nag-serve. Service ace for Eliza.
Gonzaga.
Right.
Magkakakampi na kanya.
Lázaro nga pa na nandito pa.
Lázaro. Nandito tayo sa Group B no, sa SEA Games.
Right.
Ang una natin mga kalaban ay yung mga countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, and Malaysia.
Kaya. Diba, Tita Mosi, kaya naman eh.
Pagnunubi ka na yun.
Gonzaga gets it off the check ball of Soltones. Army up by 2.
Pero syempre, it's not at the pressure on the girls. Remember, we're coming in after 10 years, diba?
The last time we played in the SEA Games was here.
2005 sa Bacolod.
Yun.
Ayun, Ilonggo din.
Bronze medal. King Balse was on that team. And Jaja Santiago is now on this team.
Alright, Jaja Santiago. That's solid hit na kanina pa hinintay ni Coach Roger.
It is an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Going back to 2005, may mga miyembro ng team na yun na naglalaro dito sa game.
Yes.
No? Tina Salak,
Ging Balse.
King Balse was also there. And Tina Salak dropping that one.
Dun sa roster of 15, yun, yung pumalong yun, si Sun, nandun siya sa 15 sila.
Hindi sila. And Philippine Santiago Manama turns it back. Remember, in the 2005 team, Sue Roses was the last person
Yep.
cut from the team. Let's take a look at the Santiago matchup. Jaja denying Dindin. 2-point lead for the Lady Troopers. Dindin. Moses. Ferrer, combination. Soltones against 3. Napaghandaan. Pag wala si Eliza, ganun pinadepensa nila sa harapan.
That's right. And tignan mo tatlong blockers din ang binigay para kay Gretchen Soltones nitong Philippine Army. Ang kalaban to dito yung sana yung huwag mapagod ang mga manlalaro ng Philippine Army kasi ang hirap mo kung lagi ka nakablock. Hindi rin madali yan.
And this heat will make you susceptible to cramps. Dahil dito sa init na to. Eliza on the push. Salak is there. Gonzaga giving it to Bautista on the run. And Nemeth sends it out.
Was trying to ask for a check, but no go. No check there.
Lead is down 2. Rachel babalik. Balik na si Nemeth. Interchangeable na yung open spikers dito ng Philippine Army and Spud Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Minsan
Jaja.
rin yung konting pahinga. Gives you a better view, no, from the bench.
Right.
Dapat mong gawin.
Oh, a pass that goes through for Jovelyn Gonzaga. Offensive deep pass. Pwede.
And a miscue on the side of PLDT. Di akalain.
So, for those of you keeping stats, that is not a point for Jovelyn Gonzaga. It is an error against PLDT. Rachel and Datis. Former MVP. Oh, Royce Lubino is on fire in set number 2.
And para siyang pantay dyan sa net. Ganun
Right.
na ba siya?
Roger Coraev, sues for time, down by 4.
Ang ginagawa nyo kasi, nagpo-flow lang kayo kung anong takbo, yun lang ang nilalaro ninyo. Katulad nung pa-over. Walang isa man gusto kumuha ng bola. Over na eh. Pinapabalaan nyo, lahat na naman tayo. Nag-aasa na naman doon sa katabi natin. Walang puhalan doon, Jem. Wala ba maglilid sa'yo? Sino maglilid sa inyo? Lalo ko yan eh. Kapatid natin, kapatid tayo.
Roger Coraev actually has some big advantage of having Charo Soriano on the floor. It's like having another coach on the floor para dito sa PLDT Homotera. Kailangan may magsalita sa kanila, Binamosi.
Oo. Laging ganun, on the floor. Parang ang merong coach kung pwede lang. Diba, inside?
And Charo is a legit coach.
Oo nga.
Won a championship, I believe in 2010 as the head coach of Ateneo here in the Shakey's B-League. Gonzaga to Correa off the ball.